Hi guys, I hope you're doing great, and today I'm back with another plant-based recipe, and today I'm going to be making tomato and black bean stew. It's so quick and easy, it's really tasty, and best of all, it's great value. It's so cheap to make. So first of all, I'm heating some oil in my pan, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to brown off a whole onion. Now the onion's nice and brown and starting to caramelise, I'm going to add in my other ingredients, which are a whole can of chopped tomatoes, 1 can of tomato puree, and 1 can of black beans, which I've just drained and rinsed. Okay, I'm going to stir those all up together. Now I just need to cover this and let it simmer for 20 minutes. Okay, after 20 minutes of simmering, this is looking good. I'm just going to season it up with some salt and pepper, and all that's left now is to serve this up. This is great over toast or served with some crusty bread. And there we go guys, there's another ridiculously easy, simple, quick, cheap recipe for you. You can find this recipe and many more in the excellent plant-based cookbook. If you would like the plant-based cookbook, there's a link in my bio which will take you to the purchase page. It's really good value, loads of recipes, loads of advice about going plant-based. Thoroughly recommend it. So I hope you enjoyed that video guys, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye.